Hello everyone. First, update your Telegram and open it. Open any chat or channel. Tap on emoji or sticker icon. Tap on sticker section. Now, from recently used, tap on add icon and choose any image you want convert to a sticker. Now, for remove background of your image, tap on cutout an object. Now tap on this object. As you see, our image background was deleted. Now with restore, you can restore that part was deleted, for example, or with erase, you can delete that part you want, for example, and tap on save. With add outline, you can change the outline of your image. Also, you can add any sticker you want. Tap on brush icon. You can draw on your image, for example, and you can add a sticker. Tap on a sticker. Add any sticker you want or any emoji you want. With your finger, you can change the size. And also tap on text and add your text, for example, test, and put any place you want and change the size. After that, tap on done. Now as you see, we create our sticker. After that, tap on done. From this menu, you can send a sticker or add to your favorite or add to a sticker set. For example, tap on a sticker set. Tap on new sticker set. Choose a name for that, for example, test. And tap on create. As you see, we create a pack with a sticker. You can edit your sticker or add more sticker on it. For example, tap on add. You can create a new sticker or add an existing sticker. You can tap on it. You can add any sticker you want. Now for send that sticker we create, tap on sticker section, scroll down, and from our pack we create, tap on that sticker. Now as you see, we send that sticker we create. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.